An item that your Carefree awning came with, which is probably long gone if you bought one of these things used, was this hook. And this hook and rod is designed to go into these holes up here. The hook and rod is designed to go into these holes up here and then pull on it to undo that wheel that's up there. I prefer the picnic table method because if I slip on it, it's not going to mar up my finish. So I'm going to go get a step ladder to loosen these things up. Okay, so I got my handy dandy step ladder. All I'm going to do is take the wheel and unlock it. You always have these in position when you're traveling. It's a good idea to put them up anytime that you close your awning, just in case you forget. You don't want to see your awning flapping in the wind. There's one of these on the front and on the back. Let me get that front one down and then we'll check back. Now I've got both lock wheels undone. We're in the front of the trailer now. There's my second lock wheel that I undid. The next thing you got to do is you got to reach up here and there's a lever. This is a locking lever that locks the roller in place. So you just pull that down. Once I got the roller all down, then I rehooked my latch lock to hold it in the down position. Next we've got to take these bars and extend them. And the way you do that is there's a ball up here. Man, this is a struggle when you're trying to do it with one hand. Okay, so a couple of things about maintenance before we go on any further. This mechanism here is a spring inside here, and you should oil this once a year along with the teeth that run down inside this bar. Just drop some WD-40 down through there and you'll be fine. The second thing that you need to take care of is the latch. Make sure that you oil that or WD-40 it every year, and then check your hardware to make sure it's not worn. This is kind of what holds everything together, and you can see that this screw has been replaced before because of wear and tear. This awning was built in 1986, so it's had some wear and tear on it over the years. Now that we've got these poles in place, you pull down on them like so. And when you do that, it tightens up the awning. Later on, when you let them go, you're going to pull the knob right here and just do everything in reverse. Let's go to the back and do that one. This fabric on this awning, it's made by Umbrella. It's the original one. So you can see how well this fabric holds up over the years. There are patches available for it. I do have one or two spots that we've put a patch on. Okay, so we're going to go to the back, do the same thing. Okay, now once I've got the awning extended and I've got both arms on both sides holding the tension tight, and once again the curl on these goes inside the cap right here. You put it on, then you pull down hard right on the back bar here. Just pull it down till it locks in place. If it doesn't want to lock in place, you need to clean it and oil it to make sure that the mechanism is clean. Okay, so now we're at the point where we're going to take these lower arms and we're going to extend these. And these are kind of done the same way. And what you want to do is go up one hole at a time, then go to the other side and put that up by one hole. Try to keep the thing a little bit level, and then when you're done, you're going to want to have it so that one end is a little bit lower than the other. So let's take a look at the process. Once the awning's fully extended, then you can go ahead and open the door going into the trailer. Now here's something that I did wrong years ago. I had put the awning down just before I extended it up like I did a minute ago, and when I did it, we left to go mini golfing or something, so it was slanted way down. I thought it would be okay, but what I didn't do was I didn't slant the awning so that the rain would go one way as it rolled down the tube. And what happened was it collected in one area and it caused this pucker right here. And there's nothing I can do about it. That's just one of those things I got to live with because I didn't do it right. There's a slot right here, a little nibble that sticks out, and you just hang it right on that little piece. And then when you fold it up, it's gonna stay in place, hopefully. These Carefree awnings are antiques by today's standards, but when I unroll this big awning with the classic Umbrella blue fabric, well, this Avion still rules the campground.